Oh, this is super interesting. All right, so without any further ado, without wasting any more time, and without increasing the heart rates of all you people out there, the winner for TCS HackQuest Season 6 champion is Kapilan S from Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Woohoo! Let's put a big round of applause, a massive, massive round of applause for the title winner. We have the winner here with us, sharing the screen space with Mr. Ajit. Oh my God, Kapilan, it is huge. Tell me what is going through. I mean, do you have butterflies in your stomach right now?
Yeah, I'm very, very happy. My parents are sitting with me from 2 p.m. 2 p.m. We are very excited for the result and
bring them in
I
the
did
camera
very
as
well.
well. Let's.
Yes. Come.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, these are the faces of two proud parents. எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்றீங்களா சார் மேம்?
எப்படி
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கீங்க. This is massive, massive. Kapilan, congratulations once again. Let's see what Ajit has to say about this, proud moment that it is for you.
Yes.
So, Kapilan, I think congratulations once again. I'm sure you really worked hard towards it, put its extreme focus with which you would have achieved it. I also want to congratulate your parents. It was nice seeing them. It was nice of you to get them onto the screen. Very nice gesture. I'm sure they deserve a good treat, and all of you are going to rejoice this. Congratulations once again. And Santa said, maybe at some point we hope to see you working with us, serving this great organization also.